Hi guys, welcome to Grammatics. Today we'll be doing a poetry. Those who are watching it for the first time, please do like, share and subscribe my channel, and don't forget to hit the bell icon. So today in the poetry section we'll be doing the poetry The Bridge Builder by Will Allen Dromgoole. Will Allen was an American author and poet. She has written more than 7,500 poems and 5,000 essays. She wrote 13 books in her lifetime, of which The Island of Beautiful Things is very well known. The Bridge Builder is her most famous poem and has been reprinted several times. So, Bridge Builder by Will Allen Dromgoole. An old man going a lone highway came at the evening cold and grey to a chasm vast and deep and wide, through which was flowing a sullen tide. The old man crossed in the twilight dim. The sullen stream had no fear for him, but he turned when safe on the other side and built a bridge to span the tide. "Old man," said a fellow pilgrim near, "you are wasting your strength with building here. Your journey will end with the ending day. You never again will pass this way. You have crossed the chasm deep and wide. Why build this bridge at evening tide?" The builder lifted his old grey head. "Good friend, in the path I have come," he said, "there followed after me today a youth whose feet must pass this way. The chasm that has been as naught to me, to that fair-haired youth may a pitfall be. He, too, must cross in the twilight dim. Good friend, I am building this bridge for him." The poem tells us that people should not be selfish. Care, consideration and hard work. These three things are the theme of this poem. So we can go on to the summary of the poem. An old man going a lone highway. So an old man was on his way alone, and on the way he had to cross a chasm. Chasm is a deep gorge with full of water, and the water is flowing, and he had to cross the chasm. So it was the evening time when the old man reached the chasm, and the weather was not so good. It was cloudy, and he had to cross the chasm. So he just crossed it also, and the chasm, the stream that was flowing was unpleasant at that time. The old man crossed in the twilight dim. The sullen stream had no fear to cross that stream. He was brave enough. He just crossed that stream. But when he went to the other side, the first thing he did was to build a bridge. He started building a bridge to cross the chasm. So one pilgrim who just crossed by saw this man building the bridge all alone. He's asking this man, "Why are you building this bridge now when you have crossed it once and you don't have any intention to go the other way again? So you will not be using it anymore. So why are you in need to build a bridge that you are not going to use?" That was the pilgrim's question. "Old man," said the fellow pilgrim, "you are wasting your strength with building here. Your journey will end with the ending days. You never again will pass this way. You have crossed the chasm deep and wide. Why build the bridge at evening tide? Why you are building this bridge now? You have no intention to cross that bridge again. Now it is your ending days. So why do you need to build the bridge?" So for this, the old man is giving a very beautiful answer. He's telling, "Good friend, in the path I have come, good friend, dear friend, the path I just crossed was difficult, but somehow I managed to cross the path. But the people who are coming behind me, maybe he's a youth, maybe he could stumble, and maybe he will be facing an accident. So in order to avoid that, I'm going to build a bridge for the people who just come after me. Good friend, in the path I have come, he said, there followed after me today a youth whose feet must pass this way. This chasm has been as naught to me. To that fair-haired youth may a pitfall be. This chasm is nothing to me. I could cross it very easily. But for the youth who is coming behind me, maybe it will be a pitfall. But he too must pass this chasm. So for him, I build this bridge. So that's what the old man said. The word bridge in this poem shows a link or a connection between the person and his dream that he has to achieve, and maybe it is very difficult to achieve. Bridge builders like this old man work for the society and bring in changes so that people can achieve their goals easily. So we too have such bridge builders. Some of the bridge builders are Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam, Rabindranath Tagore, Dr. Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan. So these are some of the bridge builders who have helped the youth to achieve their dreams. Thank you for today and bye.